Finishing off CNC Group Break 752 with 1011 Upper Deck, the Cup. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoa. All right, let's pull this off the back here. We've got a base gold, numbered 5 of 25 for the San Jose Sharks, Danny Heatley. No, it looks like it's a redemption, guys. Danny Heatley. We got a base card number 249 for the Dallas Stars, Brad Richards. We've got a beautiful 3-color rookie patch auto number 249 for the Winnipeg Jets, Patrice Cormier. We've got a beautiful 3-color signature patch, number 26 of 75 for the San Jose Sharks, Devin Setoguchi. And the redemption. The Cup, Stanley Cup Signatures Duel, number 25. So Stanley Cup Signatures Duel, number 25. Not who I was hoping it would be. Either way, these guys are all right. Number 25 for the Edmonton Oilers, Mark Messier, Wayne Gretzky. Mark Messier, Wayne Gretzky, dual Stanley Cup Signatures, number 25. So that is a good way to finish off the break.